Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Wolfman Walsh here, and what I have for you this evening is probably the most anticipated knife of fall 2023 in my personal opinion. We have the brand new Kizer Huntsmen. Let's get into this. So yeah, the Kizer Huntsmen. This thing is absolutely beefy, beastly, just badassery all around. Now this is a design that they said was mimicked or molded after the Huntsman spider in Australia. I don't see a spider. I see more of like a rhinoceros, or actually it looks more like a speedboat, just like charging through the water. I don't know. I don't care. I didn't design it, but it is awesome to look at. This is a James Lowe design. Everything about this knife is just beaming. So you can see the Huntsman logo there, the Kizer logo there. S35VN on the blade, titanium with carbon fiber inlays, titanium on the clip. This is a right-handed only. As you can see, there are no studs over here, so it is right-handed only. Sorry about that, lefties. It is a thumb stud only deployment, and it is very satisfying. You can also spidey flick it. Very, very satisfying as well. It's a heavy knife. I feel like I have heavier, but for the size, it seems relative. It comes in at about a little over 5 ounces, and they save some of that weight going with the carbon fiber and those holes there. Nice jimping here on the back. I do like how it opens up and it gives you this extra finger choil here. Again, nobody ever actually walks around carrying their knife like this, but I think it was a good choice given that extra little lip up there. I have nothing negative to say about this. I've only had it for about 2 days, and I have carried it both days, and it is absolutely awesome. It is a scary knife. You are going to scare some people with it just because it looks mean and angry. So don't get it out around people that aren't knife enthusiasts. That's what I would say. Kind of the coolest thing about this knife is in the detail. I was going to call it a frame lock, but I guess I was wrong.
Wrong, 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 wrong. Wrong, 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 wrong.
That it's actually a bolster lock. So if you see here, yeah, it looks like a frame lock, but that carbon fiber actually works like a pinch plate, and it doesn't move. Just that inset part right there moves. But I actually really like that. The other new knife I have, the Tucson TS59, is also a frame lock, and I have a hard time deploying it because when I am holding onto the back of it, I'm actually holding that lock down so it doesn't flip as easily. This, having that carbon fiber that doesn't move, I can still grip the knife and deploy it, no problem whatsoever. All parts and portions of this lower half, this recurve, is sharp, and the upswept here is sharp as well as a very sharp point. It slices so nice. Going through some cardboard with ease, going through paper with ease, and my favorite, going through the apple. Well, yeah, you just saw that. So I didn't know how much I would, or if I would like this kind of fat butt.
You have an absolutely breathtaking hiney. I mean, that thing is good.
The back end, the stock there, but it actually fits pretty well. I have no complaints with that. So I love all the millwork back here, almost kind of like a frag pattern. No rubs, no hot spots. Let me know who else got this. I got this on the day it came out. Tried to get it from the Kizer website. but they were sold out within minutes. And so I flipped over to Blade HQ. That's where I got this. And they had some available, so I bought it from there. Also, Blade HQ is doing this new points club thing where every 1,000 or so points you get a $5 gift card to Blade HQ. I'm not sure if that's worth it. Someone will have to let me know. Oh, price. Yeah, we didn't go over price. Out the door with shipping and tax and all that, this came out to $206. Don't tell the missus. So it's a designer knife. It's a cool knife. It's a funky knife. It's got that X factor. I hate spending money, and so spending that much money really is like, ugh. But no, I think it's totally worth it, because for me, this is kind of like a one-of-a-kind piece. This is S tier already. I don't care. It's S tier. It's wonderful. So let me know what you all think about it. It did come in a box, the coffin style. And then you got to remove this. It had 2 stickers. They're already on my toolbox. And this pouch here. But there you go. So let me know. Did you get one? I got one. Do you like it? Do you hate it? Do you think it's ugly? Do you think it's awesome? Let us know in the comments below. Leave a like. Go ahead and subscribe if you're new. And we will catch you later. We've got some couple of new videos coming up soon with new purchases, new mods. As always, I'm Wolfman Walsh, and take care.